Your Mercedes is smarter than you think, not in the way the brochure says it is, not the obvious stuff, not the things the salesperson walked you through on the showroom floor. Smarter in the quiet ways, the things that happen in the background while you are focused on the road, while you are adjusting the music, while you are just living your life inside the car. There are features sitting in your Mercedes right now that most owners will never discover, not because they are hard to use, because nobody told them they were there. Some of these change how you drive every single day. Some of them protect you without ever announcing themselves. And at least one of them will make you wonder what else the engineers buried in that car that nobody ever talks about. Feature number 1, the rain-sensing wiper memory. You have probably used the automatic wipers. You set the sensitivity, they adjust to rainfall. Simple enough. But here is what almost nobody notices. Your Mercedes remembers the sensitivity setting you used the last time it rained and returns to it automatically the next time precipitation is detected. It is not resetting to a default. It is going back to what you chose. The car quietly logged your preference, stored it, and applied it without asking. You thought you were just turning a dial. The car thought you were teaching it something. And it was right. Feature number 2, the seatbelt pretensioner pre-trigger. Before an accident happens, not during it, before it, your Mercedes is already reacting. The pre-safe system reads inputs from radar sensors and cameras, and if the data suggests a collision is imminent, the seatbelts cinch tighter against your body in the fraction of a second before impact. Windows may begin to close. The seat may adjust slightly. The car is physically repositioning you into the safest possible posture before anything has technically gone wrong. Most drivers who have experienced this never realized what happened. They assumed the seatbelt was just tight that day. It was not. The car read the situation before they did. Feature number 3, the cornering light function inside the headlights. On models equipped with adaptive LED or multi-beam LED headlights, the light distribution physically shifts in the direction you are steering. Turn into a curve and the illuminated area pivots ahead of you, lighting up the road you are about to be on rather than the road you are currently leaving. This is not a software brightness adjustment. The headlights are physically repositioning their beam. Drivers who never knew this existed simply thought their headlights were unusually good at night. They were, but not for the reason they assumed. The car was actively steering the light before it steered the wheels. Feature number 4, the haptic warning in the steering wheel. When your Mercedes detects you are drifting out of your lane without signaling, most drivers expect a beep or a dashboard alert. What a lot of them do not expect is a vibration that pulses through the steering wheel itself, a physical nudge, like someone tapping your hand from inside the wheel rim. It is fast, unmistakable, and hard to ignore even if you have the music loud. What makes it interesting is that it bypasses your eyes entirely. Sound requires your brain to process. A vibration in your hands triggers a physical response before the processing even begins. That choice was not accidental. Mercedes engineers specifically chose the tactile channel because it is faster. Feature number 5, the predictive navigation speed adjustment. If your Mercedes is equipped with the more advanced navigation system, the car reads the road ahead using GPS map data, not just what the cameras can currently see. Approaching a sharp curve, a roundabout, or a speed limit change, the car may begin to modulate engine output and, depending on the driving mode, apply light braking before you have even seen the sign. The system is reacting to map data, not live sensors. It knows the curve is coming because it has studied the route. Drivers in sport or comfort modes who have noticed the car seeming to slow almost intuitively on unfamiliar mountain roads were not imagining it. The car had already read the road ahead. Feature number 6, the automatic trunk height memory. On models with a power trunk or tailgate, the opening height is fully adjustable, and the car stores that preference. If you park in a garage with a low ceiling and manually stop the trunk before it reaches its full travel, the car memorizes that exact stopping point. The next time you open the trunk, it stops at the same height. Not approximately the same, exactly the same, measured in millimeters by the actuator. Most owners who discover this do so by accident when they switch parking spots and realize the trunk suddenly opens differently than it did yesterday. The car did not malfunction. It remembered where you told it to stop. Feature number 7, the attention assist drowsiness monitor. This one runs so quietly that drivers almost never catch it working. From the first few minutes of a journey, attention assist logs your steering behavior, the micro corrections you make, your reaction timing, the rhythm of your inputs at the wheel. It builds a baseline profile of how you drive when you are alert. Then it watches for deviation, steering inputs that become slower, corrections that come later than your baseline, a subtle looseness developing in your control. When the pattern matches what the system has learned to associate with driver fatigue, a coffee cup icon appears in the cluster and a gentle chime sounds. The car has been watching you since the moment you pulled out of the driveway. It noticed you were getting tired before you did. Feature number 8. The ambient sound modes in the MBUX system. On recent models with the MBUX infotainment platform, there is an option buried in the settings called Energizing Comfort. Inside it is a function that plays soft, designed audio environments through the speaker system. Not music, not radio, but purpose-built soundscapes engineered to influence the mood inside the car. One mode plays a curated wind and tone combination designed to increase alertness on long drives. Another is tuned for relaxation in slow traffic. These are not Spotify playlists. They are proprietary audio programs developed alongside the cabin acoustic engineers who designed what the car sounds like at speed. Almost no one who owns this feature has ever used it intentionally. Most do not know it is there. Feature number 9. The active brake intervention on reversing. When reversing at low speed, most drivers trust their mirrors and their parking sensors. What they do not realize is that their Mercedes is running a parallel system using the rear camera combined with radar cross-traffic detection. If a vehicle or pedestrian crosses behind you while you are reversing, even if they appeared between your sensor pulse cycles, the car can apply the brakes independently of your input. Not a warning, not a beep. The brakes. The car stops itself. Drivers who have experienced this for the first time describe the sensation as the car grabbing itself mid-reverse, because that is exactly what happened. You were still looking in the mirror. The car had already reacted. Feature number 10. The transparent hood display. On certain recent Mercedes models with the off-road or advanced driver assistance package, there is a function called the transparent bonnet, or transparent hood, depending on your market. The front camera and the system software work together to project a virtual view of what is directly beneath the front of the car onto the central display screen, as if the hood had turned to glass. You can see the angle of the front wheels relative to rocks or curbs or obstacles that are physically hidden from your direct sight line by the body of the car itself. On city streets, it helps with tight parking over curbs. On rough terrain, it is transformative. Most owners with this feature have never activated it because the button is labeled in a way that gives nothing away. They were looking for something obvious. The feature was hiding in plain sight, which is where Mercedes tends to put the best ones. Here is what all 10 of these have in common. None of them show up in the owner's manual index under anything obvious. None of them were in the brochure. None of the features above require you to update anything, install anything, or pay for anything extra. They were there the day you drove the car off the lot. The engineers put them in and trusted that curious drivers would eventually find them. Most never do. Now you know 10 of them. The question is, what else is your car doing right now that you have never noticed? Because if Mercedes hid this much intelligence this quietly, the list does not stop here. Subscribe so you do not miss what comes next.